Ranaut unveiled Chandon x McLaren-Honda installation. The actress, who called herself the party starter, shared her love for cars and what spark means to her, besides playing a rapid fire.
So I'm the party starter tonight, and we are going to have a lot of sparkling wine and party. Spark means everything beautiful, you know, enthusiasm, happiness and optimism and beauty. Everything which is made of beautiful things is sparkling, is bright, is beautiful. I love the cars. I love the cars. I don't know what I do with those though, but because I can't drive. But I just love the way they look. They look so stylish, and I wish I can own one.